Welcome to the free 5-day beginner Tai Chi challenge, designed to help you build strength, flexibility, and balance in just 15 minutes per day. Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Potts, the Tai Chi PT. I've been teaching Tai Chi for over 10 years to thousands of people from all over the world. So over 5 days, you're going to experience Tai Chi movements designed to improve balance, boost your energy, and reduce stress. Here's how it works. Every day I'll be sending you an email for the 5 days. Just click the link for the video and then press play and follow along. It's that simple. This challenge is designed for all levels, so if you're wanting to learn and practice Tai Chi in an accessible way and connect with thousands of other like-minded people, then join me for the free 5-day beginner Tai Chi challenge. Just click the first link in the video description below and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar. Thank you so much, and I'll see you over there.